Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's August 3rd, 2019, about 12:15. Take a look at this jerk off. They're all over the sky today, guys. Just getting away with this murder. So sick of seeing them. Oh God, where'd he go? I don't even see him anymore. So weird. Oh, I guess that's him down there. Okay, it's hard to see. Oh God, my stupid phone's going nuts. Oh, he's doing the curve. Check this out. No flight pattern that I know of, and I've been here forever. Look at this jackass. Let me turn around and show you the mess over here. Take a look at this. Everywhere, guys. The dripping, the whole thing, whatever these nodules are on these things. All the way across the sky over here. Look at this. Yeah, this is a bad day, guys. LA, wake up. You're looking at your phone too often. Take care.